लेकिन उसका भाई स्कूल नहीं गया था।
But his brother didn't go to school yesterday.
तुम लोग कब से यहाँ हो?
Since when have you been here? Hello everyone, I am Anush.
I am Rehan.
So today we are going to do rapid fire, but before starting, we would like to discuss with a quote. The quote is, "He that can have patience can have what he will."
What do you? I would like to explain this quote. As far as I know, I will understand this quote. If you have patience, if you have capacity, you can achieve anything. But lots of time you would be patient, then you will be success in future. Lots of example available right now. I would like to tell some big scientists like APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. It is very popular man of India because they did lots of things during the life. Then he would success. Then like lots of person like his name Missile Man of India. Then thank you for listening. Then let's start today's session rapid fire. Start. मैं मार्केट गया
I went to market.
और मैंने उसकी मदद नहीं की.
I didn't help him.
क्या तुम सैटरडे को मॉस्क जाओगे?
Will you go to mosque on Saturday?
यस हाँ मैं जाऊंगा सैटरडे को.
Yes, I will go to mosque on Saturday.
क्या तुमने उसकी मदद नहीं की थी?
Didn't you help him?
मैंने उसकी मदद नहीं किया
I didn't help him
क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था.
because I didn't have money.
तुम लोग कब मार्केट जाओगे?
When will you go to market?
वो शायद मार्केट में होगा.
He might be in the market.
तुम लोग कब से यहाँ हो?
Since when have you been here?
क्या तुम एक इंजीनियर बनोगे?
Will you be an engineer?
क्या उसके पास इस टाइम पैसा है?
Does he have money at this time?
तुम कब पढ़ते हो?
When do you study?
तुम कल कहाँ गए थे?
Where did you go yesterday?
क्या तुम कल स्कूल गए थे?
Did you go to school yesterday?
लेकिन उसका भाई स्कूल नहीं गया था.
But his brother didn't go to school yesterday.
तुम लोग कब खाते हो?
When do you eat?
वो 10 बजे खाता है.
He eat at 10 p.m.
तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
वो पढ़ रहा है.
He is studying.
वो कल पार्क में था.
Yesterday he was in the park.
तुम कब से यहाँ हो?
Since when have you been here?
क्या तुम उसको जानते हो?
Do you know him?
हाँ मैं उसको जानता हूँ.
Yes, I know him.
क्या तुम वहाँ जाओगे?
Will you go there?
मैं कल वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा
I won't go there
क्योंकि मेरे पास. क्या तुम कल घर पर थे?
Yesterday, were you at home?
तुम कल कहाँ जा रहे थे?
Where were you going yesterday?
मैं उस टाइम पार्क जा रहा था।
At that time, I was going to park.
वो क्या कर रही है?
What is she doing?
तुम कब से खा रहे हो?
Since when have you been eating?
मैं 2004 से यहाँ नहीं रह रहा हूँ।